This is the Worx MakerX. If you're a maker, a hobby builder, crafter, artist, DIYer, even a prop builder, you'll want to add this tool and its accessories to your workspace. It's portable, a one-of-a-kind portable crafting tool. Let's get it out of the box and into your maker space. This hub kit is the way to get started. You get the nylon bag that holds this kit with plenty of room to add accessories as you need them. You get two accessories in this kit, the wood-burning soldering tool as well as the rotary tool. They both come with their own manuals. I'll put those aside and show you those in just a bit. There's a battery charger. It's a 20-volt charger that's used with Worx 20-volt batteries. Now, keeping with Worx 20-volt power share program, any 20-volt battery will fit in any Worx 20-volt tool. The hub is the power block. It's the on and off switch. It's the control of heat and speed. There's a 4-foot cord that allows the hand tool to be tethered to the hub. There's an easy 3-pin hookup. There's a box included for small bits, polishing brushes, sanding discs, even small carving tools. Also, bits for the soldering and wood burning tool. Here's the rotary tool out of the box. Has its own manual. Lightweight, easy to use, comfortable in your hand. Has a simple collar chuck that lets you put the right tool. Plug it in, tighten it up, you're ready to go. Use the knob to control the speed. This is the wood-burning soldering tool. It's quick, it's easy to heat, it's controlled by buttons on the tools itself, has a digital readout, comes with a small stand to keep the heat up off your workbench. Here's a quick look once again of everything that's included. The two tools, the rotary tool, the soldering wood-burning tool, battery charger, 20-volt battery, the hub and cable. It's time for you to be creative. You may want to add the MakerX to your tool space.